So what is cognitive behavioural therapy, which is also known as CBT? So the word cognitive is another word for our thoughts. Behaviour is the way that we act, and therapy is the treatment. Now, CBT is one of the most heavily researched forms of therapy, and the research provides really strong evidence that the way us human beings think will control the way we feel, and the way we feel will then control the way we behave. So when somebody comes for CBT, we want to identify any unhelpful thoughts and any unhelpful behaviours, because if we can change one of them, we can change the way that person feels. So I'll give you an example. So let's say that you are called into your boss's office at work, and your boss gives you some feedback on how you can improve in your job role. Now, if you give that the meaning that your boss is trying to help you to develop, and you take it as constructive criticism, then you are going to have thoughts such as, this is really going to help me to grow, I might get a promotion from this. You're going to feel quite excited and motivated, and as a result, you are going to do what your boss has advised you to do. Whereas if you give it the meaning that your boss doesn't like you and is disappointed in you, then you are going to have thoughts along the lines of, I'm going to lose my job, I really can't do this. You're going to feel quite upset and demotivated, and your behaviour is going to be very different, as in, you might not end up doing any of the things that your boss has advised, or you might put very little effort into it. So the way we think will control the way we feel, and the way we feel will control the way we behave. But you may have noticed there that I said the meaning that you give to it. And that's really important, because in life, situations and events that kind of happen to us, the meaning that we give to them situations plays a very important role. It's not the actual events and situations themselves that cause us the problems and the upset, it's the meaning that we give to them. So you can have two people in the very same situation who kind of give it completely different meaning, and therefore deal with the situation very differently. And it's that part that I am very passionate about, because our thoughts come from somewhere, which you are going to learn in this video series, and the meaning that we give to situations also plays an important role in this. So it's very interesting, but also explains why you can have two different people in the same situation dealing with that very differently.